In this video, we will see how to integrate Shopify with the CustomerLabs. Let's get into the first step. You have to enter your website URL under Connect Your Domain and click on Save. Now, copy this tracking code, go to your Shopify account, navigate to Online Store, and under Themes, click on Edit Code, and under theme.liquid, search for #head. And paste that tracking code above the head section and click on Save. Once it's done, second step is go to setting in your Shopify store, and you can see here customer events, and now create a custom pixel. Give the pixel name, for example, CustomerLabs pixel, and click on Add Pixel. Once it's done, now go back to your CustomerLabs account and click on Shopify. Here you can see the two options, one with post purchase, another without post purchase. What is post purchase? Once customer has completed the payment and you have to provide upsell offers, survey request or feedback request, you can choose post purchase. While without post purchase means when customer completed the payment and you want to redirect them to the order status page, that is thank you page, without presenting any upsell offers, survey request or feedback request. So you can choose without post purchase. First we will see how to connect without post purchase. Now copy this code, go back to the Shopify store and paste it under the pixel and click on Save. Once the code has been saved, click on Connect to connect the pixel. So this is how you can connect your Shopify account with CustomerLabs for without post purchase. Now we will see the post purchase. Copy this code, go to your Shopify account and paste it under the pixel. And to save the pixel, click on Save and click on Connect. Now go back to your CustomerLabs account, navigate to 4th step, copy this code and go to your Shopify account, navigate to Setting. You can see here Checkout, and you can scroll down and you can see the additional script. Paste it here. In the post purchase section, you may have the option to choose an app for the post purchase configuration. You need to select any one of the existing app and shouldn't select the None option for post purchase. If you are not using any application for post purchase, integrate using without post purchase method. This is how you can integrate your Shopify with the CustomerLabs. After some time, you can check whether the events are getting captured in the CustomerLabs by clicking on Verify Event Data. You can see events are getting captured. You can also have a view of all the events under the Event Manager screen. Here you can see all the list of events that captured in the CustomerLabs. We recommend you to send all of these events to the destinations like Google Ads or Facebook directly from CustomerLabs, which gives you higher event match quality. Let's consider if you want to send the events to the Facebook. First, you have to make sure you have disconnected the Facebook pixel from your Shopify account to avoid double triggering of events both from CustomerLabs and direct integration with Facebook. Let's see how you can do that. Go back to your Shopify account. Under Online Store, click on Preferences. Scroll down. You can see the Facebook pixel. click on settings. You can see the share data option. Click on change, continue, and if you integrate your Facebook pixel, you can see this toggle is on. So to make sure to turn off this toggle to avoid double firing of events, since we have already integrated Facebook pixel with CustomerLabs, and click on save. So this is all you have to do to integrate Shopify with CustomerLabs. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on support@customerlabs.co. Thank you.